Food baby. She's pregnant from chicken.
I do.
Next thing we know, Eunah like births an egg.
I'm gonna have a chick in my stomach.
Grab your tongue and come eat with us. I'm Eunah.
I'm Felicity.
And today we have a special guest, Hyejeong. Hey.
Hedgehog!
Hedgehog.
So today we're gonna eat SEOUL fried chicken. As you can tell, it's fried chicken, which is in Korean style. Today we're gonna have soy garlic sauce chicken. Sorry.
We can edit it so you can keep going. Okay.
And SEOUL BBQ chicken. This one's based on gochujang, which is red pepper paste from Korea. And I think this is a mixture of scallion, a bit of garlic with soy sauce, as you can tell. These ones are both kind of sweet, but this one's more sweeter and this one's kind of more spicy.
Okay, so let's try it. Which one are you guys gonna try first?
Probably the garlic soy, because I'm not...
Wasteful. Just kidding.
Waste.
Okay, go for it. I guess we're all trying the garlic soy one first. Ooh, girl behind camera is going brave.
You aren't living there.
This is insulting chicken.
How is it insulting chicken?
You only eat with.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh, so there are different types of ways you can eat with chakara. You can do the stabby, which is what I'm doing right here. You can do the
You can lift chicken with chakra.
chakara. Or you can do it the right way. Actually, I'm curious because I don't know what that right way to hold your chopsticks is.
It's like this, like a pencil.
I feel like this. How do you do it?
Like a pencil. So that you have like the...
No, but like from the textbook of elementary school in Korea, you have to use like this.
They teach you how to hold chopsticks.
Yeah.
Hold on a minute.
Hey, this is assignment. We have to get
Oh!
Really?
pass.
Interesting.
But I'm useless.
Anyone else use chopsticks in a really weird way? I want to learn.
Okay, this is so uncomfortable. Just eat it with your hands, guys. If you fry chicken.
No! It's chakara!
Yeah, chocolate.
So, how do you compare this to, well, Felicity, I don't know if you've been to Korea, but fried chicken is very popular.
Okay.
Hyejeong, you've been to Korea, slash you're from there. How would you describe SEOUL fried chicken in Edmonton compared to the fried chicken you've had in Korea?
Honestly, SFC is way better. They
Really?
have more chicken. And I really love this BBQ sauce. In Korea, it's too sweet and it feels like it's really unhealthy for me. I mean, it's unhealthy, but this one's based on gochujang, so it's more like, it's less oily. Yeah,
okay.
and I think they use really good oil, like compared to the like watery stuff in Korea.
But I think it's really cool that in Korea, you can get your chicken delivered. I don't know if this stat is true, but someone told me that there's more chicken places in Korea than Starbucks is in the world.
Yeah, I think so. The Starbucks it's famous in Korea, but it's not that famous.
No, I mean like more than the number of Starbucks that exist in the world.
Oh, then I'll try this one.
Let's try this taste.
How is the spicy one?
It's really good. This is my fave, but it's not that spicy.
How was the garlic soy?
It's good. It's good.
That's it?
It's like
Yeah.
it's like not too sweet, not too salty. It's like a good mixture of both flavors, so it's not like overpowering.
So good. How's your first SFC?
It's pretty good.
Is this your first one?
Yeah, first one.
Just my second time eating. Spicy wings. So I had hot wings 5 plus 12, 17 hours ago. So I went out for Wednesday wings.
You mean Wings Wednesday, not Wednesday Wings?
Did I say Wednesday wings?
Yeah.
You mean Wings Wednesday?
Did I say Wings Wednesday?
You say Wednesday wings.
Whatever.
Where have you eaten for wings?
I've been to the Pint, I've been to Hudson's, and I've been to BP's.
Here's a question. What's the best wings place you guys have been to in Edmonton?
I mean, all I've been to have been Hudson's Pint and then Rad Sub and like BP's, but like I feel like
the ones you've been to?
I like Pine on White.
Yeah, Pine was really good. I like Pine.
On White Ass specifically.
I also like
yeah.
Hudson's because I went there for my first time, so it was like a good like memory, like a good atmosphere. There was like so many people from my floor, so it was fun. But like, yeah, like Hudson's and Pine are really good.
Felicity, you actually mentioned a really good point that depending on who you go with, it kind of makes the experience too. Like whether you really like their chicken or not.
Yeah,
You go there, yeah.
yeah, because that was my first wings Wednesday after dodgeball, so I went with, like my RAs, my liaison, like half of my floor.
That's why I'm not getting any chicken. Ah!
This makes me so dirty. Like I'm not a tidy person.
How often do you guys eat chicken?
In Korea, there's a thing called chimek, which is chicken plus beer. That's like a best match ever. So a lot of people eat it maybe like a once per week. I don't know. I eat once per 2 weeks. I don't know. It depends. If I have midterm, I don't. Or finals.
If I have finals, I do.
Do you need fried chicken or just chicken overall?
Fried chicken.
I guess maybe like once every few weeks, cause like I usually just eat with like people, like with my friends, but I don't usually eat with myself just cause like it's not healthy and also I can't eat much anyways. So
Other than, say, chicken, what's another good, like, is this street food?
Yeah.
What's another good street food in Asia that you guys like?
I love green onion cakes. Those green onion cakes that we had like like the week before finals was so good. With the pork belly and like amazing, and the carrots and daikon, so good.
I love that that we have food trucks from other countries. I mean, not from other countries, but like with food from other countries.
Too bad it never happens that often. It's only like once every it's like once every semester, honestly. But I guess it's expensive.
Like every food in Edmonton is expensive.
Fair. You bring up a good point.
Yeah. Because when I first came here, I was so shook with the price of food. Because Korea's pretty cheap.
Yeah,
I think it's because
it's just cheap.
I think it's because you guys have really high wage for people. Like minimum wage. It's $15. What the heck?
Yeah, but you know the cost of living here is like really expensive.
Yeah.
Well, also if you change it to like currency US dollars, it's still only like a little over $10, which isn't a lot actually.
It's better than Vancouver.
Thank you.
Hyejeong's a baby.
Wait, can you pass me one too?
Baby's a baby.
I'm sorry for being clean.
So who's the youngest here?
I'm the youngest.
I'm the oldest, right?
No, Eunah's the oldest.
Oh yeah, because I forget. You're forgetting how hard.
You're killing our toys.
Do you guys prefer drumsticks or wings or thighs? What's your
Drumstick.
favorite cut of chicken?
Ooh, if it's fried drumsticks, but generally I just take thigh because like it's not too fat, but it's not too like lean like chicken breast, so it still tastes good.
I don't know the difference.
I like beef.
That's not even chicken.
That's
John, you gotta.
She's trying to keep me out, guys, and I'm the guest.
You're a rude guest. You tried to bring forks.
Honestly, I don't get why you're eating chicken with jakarak. Jakarak.
Chakadak.
Eunah, explain.
Are you even Asian?
Wow.
I've gone to Korean restaurants
This
where you eat
Wisconsin
chicken
is-
with chopsticks.
In
In Toronto.
In Toronto, that makes sense. My brother, in Korea?
Me and my family eat fried chicken with chopsticks. Well, we eat rice with chopsticks too, so what?
What's the best thing to eat with chicken? For me, it's
What?
in Korea you get it with radish.
Ooh, that's good.
Oh, oops.
But it's not like pickled radish.
No?
It's like Korean style something else.
Really? It looks like when you open it, it looks like coffee sugar cubes. Like the shape and the color. But then it's just like cut up, diced.
Radish?
dices of radish, yeah. And it adds that like refreshing crunch. It's like, you know, to the chicken that's like moist and just juicy, and it's a good combo.
It's like a palate cleanser.
Yes.
And then you add that with beer,
Ooh, beer is a good combination.
and that's how
with
you eat
fried
chicken in
food.
Korea.
When was the first time you guys drank?
You're not exposing us like
My
that.
parents watched this.
Yeah, I'm gonna
And
turn
my
it into
harmony too, probably. What is this?
Pa.
Huh?
Scallion.
맛있다.
Eat it.
I love it. It's like cilantro. I just want to eat it.
So, what are your summer plans?
I'm going back to Korea
Me too. And we're gonna eat chicken together.
and
Mukbang in Korea.
I got a
Boyfriend?
Now hiring boyfriend for Hyejeong and then put a fake number underneath it.
Send resumes to Eunah Chan.
Yeah.
What are high considerations? Like,
We'll bring her fried chicken. Can make fried chicken.
can make fried chicken.
Is fried chicken.
Oh!
Yeah, I had like 6 pieces.
I don't care. Eat more.
You're weak.
I feel like
Hey,
I'm gonna have a
잠깐만.
chick in my stomach.
나 발음 하나 붙여도 돼? You have to say pieces. Because
Pieces.
is she said 왜 남자가 she said there?
We're almost done with eating.
Ow, 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 ow.
What are you doing?
She's pulling my hair.
Oh,
I gotta get cut.
sorry.
It's okay.
Yuna's like drunk on food right now.
Eunah,
But has anyone commented on our video before?
Nope.
Guys, if
We
you're
have like
watching
2
this,
videos.
just put like, OMG, that looks so delicious or something.
No.
Because I'm the guest.
Tell your friends though, Hyejeong.
Be like, OMG, that girl in the, be like, OMG, that girl in the middle is so cute. Does she have a boyfriend? Question mark, question mark.
She's like the one commenting.
I don't.
That's like our dating profile video.
I
Your
don't.
future boyfriends will be watching this, Hyejeong.
Yeah, honestly, he will someday. I will never tell him that I took this.
I'll meet him and tell him.
Okay, then I'll meet a
Your kids will find this
Korean
video.
guy who cannot speak English.
We'll have it translated. We'll have Korean subs. Add Korean captions.
Hello, future boyfriend.
Oh,
Are you
God.
watching this?
Hyejeong, send a message to your future boyfriend.
I just told her boyfriend, her future boyfriend to 꺼져.
What does
That
that
means
mean?
get out, get away.
I thought you just said I love you.
Wow, is this a love triangle I see? Eunah, Hyejeong, and her future boyfriend.
But the thing is that Eunah has a boyfriend.
Guys, I told him to go away. That doesn't mean I like him. That means I don't like him.
You don't like your boyfriend?
No, what? Her future boyfriend.
Oh!
But you haven't met him yet.
Yeah, but I already know he's.
Garbage.
Let's see how it goes.
우리 혜정이 아까워.
You should really edit this note. She just said this in Korean.
She's
They've been saying a lot.
I deserve better guy, even though I haven't met anyone yet. Bye guys. Please don't forget to subscribe us. I mean, not me, but them. And then follow their Instagram or Facebook if they have one. It's gonna be here.
So, since we made our last video, our last mukbang, we got an Instagram page. So don't forget to follow us right here.
Yes. And and comment on our
Like-
video.
And like,
Thumbs up. And please
And
just say anything.
subscribe.
It's okay if you tell us, oh, you guys are so cute and adorable nurslings.
this has been